First of all, I have a lot of what I'll call Merrillisms, so I won't present unless a few things happen. Number one, I don't stand behind a podium. Number two, I use my computer. I won't use a conference computer because I put a lot of time and effort into my presentations. I have embedded video. I have tremendous amount of animation. I have a lot of pictures. I have a lot of stuff that we've done and put a lot of time in, and too many times it goes awry. And there's nothing worse than us sitting there and having a presentation start 17 minutes late, or something happen in the middle of it. The funniest one was I thought I saw a presentation from Apple and their technology didn't work. They're a technology company and their technology didn't work. So how believable is their presentation? You've just lost the entire audience. So for me, you know, I don't stand behind a podium. I've got to use my own computer. I check out the room way ahead of time because I don't want any surprises. And I also demand the survey results back. So if it's anonymous, you'll get a little bit of information from that in terms of you won't hear what you want to hear. And then I'll have a few people, in most audiences, I'll have a few people that I trust that's on the inner circle, and they'll come up to me afterwards and say, hey, great job, blah, blah, blah. And my first reaction to that is, okay, what was the one point I should have changed? What was the one point that was a little foggy? Is there anything that I could have been a little bit more clear of? And anybody who knows me, who's in my inner circle, knows that that's how I want to operate. I don't want any fluff of, oh, great job, you know, any of that stuff.